this video, I'll be doing a full review of this heater. I'm going to go through all the different buttons and settings, and I'm also going to do a demo so you can see how it works. First, I want to give you an up-close view and show you all the buttons on here. So this is how the heater looks. So a small heater, really nice design. Right here, you have this nice LED display, which I'll show you when I do the demo. Up here, you have all your different buttons, so you can operate this heater from the buttons, but it also comes with a remote, which I'm going to show you that in a minute. But this is your oscillation button where you can have the heater rotate side to side. You have your different modes with this button. So you have a low setting, a high setting, and then another setting where you can put it on the exact temperature that you want. Here you have a timer button, so you can set this on how many hours you want it to run, and it can go up to 24 hours. You have your power button, and then you have your plus and minus sign, so you can raise the temperature with those buttons or you can lower it. On the back, you have this space right here, so it's kind of easy to hold the heater right there. And then right here is where you can access the filter. It has a screw in there that you have to take out to access the filter. And this is the remote that it comes with. It takes two AAA batteries and they are not included, so you can control with the buttons on the heater, or you can use the remote. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how this heater works. So you see this red button right here. This means that the heater is in standby mode. So it has to be in standby mode first before it will actually work. So if you pick it up, you'll see that the button goes away and it will not turn on, or any of the buttons or even the remote will not work until you put it on a flat surface where it's flat down like this. You'll hear it beep. The red button will come on, which means it's ready to power on. You just have to hit the power button for it to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on so you can just see how it works and sounds. We're gonna control it with the remote. Just hit the power button. So it's on high right now. You can change that mode. You press this on the remote. That's the low setting. And then this is the setting where you can put it on the exact temperature that you want. So the maximum temperature with this setting is 99 and the minimum is 41. And then after a while, if you don't press any buttons, it will just go to the blank screen and you'll just see the red light indicator still on, it's still working. So this is the oscillation button where the heater will rotate from side to side. So you can see that now. And I will say that this heater does heat up pretty fast. And I would say this is more so a heater for a small room. If you have a large room, it's not going to heat up the whole room. This is more so for smaller areas and where you can kind of have the heater closer to you to really get that heat effect. And this heater is pretty stable on a flat surface. It's not going to actually fall over unless someone just comes and hits it. And it does have a auto shut off feature if you tip it over, which I could show you now. You can see it will turn off, and then if you put it back, the red light will come on, which means it's in standby mode. And if you want to start it again, you will have to press the power. And when it comes to turning the heater off, you just hit the power button, and it does have a 15-second countdown, and then the heater will turn off. Overall, I think this is an awesome little heater that looks nice and is great for small rooms.